Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite. It's this one. So the 2007 Ford Mustang, and this is in this Falcon livery. So I do love this livery. I mean, to a certain extent. So okay, so I bought this during 2023. This is not a new casting. This is an older one, and I bought this for 149, which was the MRP back then. Okay, let's unbox this. So I did unbox one more Ford Mustang back then. I think that was 1967 Mustang in the same livery, if I'm not wrong. So I think it these two came under the same time period. So maybe you can check that in my channel. I did unbox one more Ford Mustang, the older Mustang. I mean older than this one, like again in 67 or around that time period. So I did unbox that one. So here is the card art. The card art looks really good. So let me just put that aside. Okay. I don't know how they are getting dust inside a packaging. Okay. So out of the box, the casting is actually really solid, but the paint job it is not really that good. It has a lot of issues here, here. So that one never had any issue if I'm not wrong. My memory serves correct. Okay. Honestly, guys, that looks really stupid. I mean, there is nothing here. It looks like a clay model, to be honest. Oh my god. I was setting up my expectation really high for this casting. See, I don't really like, this kind of sponsors here, personally. See, that is going to be my car, right? I don't want to sponsor some other brand there, like free of cost. So, I mean, people are into it. I know I'm not complaining about them or nitpicking them, but personally, that's not for me. And I mean, instead of giving the sponsored, prints here, they could have just at least went with the headlight detailing here. Obviously, it doesn't have any tail light detail either. I mean, it is just embossed on. Even the Ford logo is not there. I mean, the Mustang logo is not there. It's just a circle here. Okay, so it has interior detail to it. It has wiper detailing. Okay, that looks really good. And the interior looks good. It is, I mean, the windshield is obviously tinted at least a little bit. So you can see in the Falcon logo here. Even that has a lot of paint job issue. Okay. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So the chassis has a good amount of detailing here, and the exhaust here, at least they did that. That is really good on both sides. So the rims are okay. It is not perfect for this casting, but it looks really good on this one. Maybe if you do a wheel swap, that would look really sick. The deep dish kind of rim. I mean, the front, I don't know, man. Okay, the front feels really bigger than the rear ones, or because of the wheel arch, it looks like that. I'm not really sure. It does feel like smaller, but I mean, I don't know how it looks for you guys. Just do let me know whether it feels smaller on the rear compared to the front, or it the same size just because of the wheel arch. It feels like that. Okay. So with that said, let's weigh this casting. We 35 to 40 grams. 36 grams. Nice. Okay, I'm hoping that. No, I am not going to hope anything at this point. Let's do a roll test. Okay, that is smooth. It is not fast, but it is smooth, and it does reach end of the track, so that is really good. It rolls good. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So obviously the paint job issue is going to be specific to mine, so let's leave that out. Even though it has a lot of paint issues here, you can see like everywhere. So, but we need to be. I mean, unanimous, right? Okay, so I'm just taking point 0.5 out of 10 because it doesn't have any headlight or tail light detailing at all. So that really looks ugly from the front. You should keep it this way. See, obviously I'm going to take a picture like this for this video's thumbnail, and that doesn't look really good for me. Not only for me, and for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.